I'm up here. Take a look over there. Man, if I had a 360 camera, I wouldn't have to do a second shot like so. Pan around. But I'm not sure if I have a leak or not. But I'm going to get some flashing compound from here to here, because this doesn't look good. You never know if water gets into these areas. So let me go get some flashing compound. I'll be back. Just like my sunglasses, I can't see. You can't see. I'm dark. Oh, look, I got a light switch. How does that help? Now I can see. Oh, we are tight for space. I got everything put away. I do need to move the car just to get to the flashing. So let's go get some flashing. There it is. I don't want to bring the whole bucket up. I just want to bring some. Oh yeah, I love doing this. This is the way we get the flashing off the top of the unit. Bend the clips until you get the can open. I got one of these. It's already in here. So yeah, I could use it. Got a cardboard box. Go get a pair of gloves so I don't get my hands dirty. Well, I'm going to put my camera away. Of course, you know what's going to happen. I'm going to make my camera look like black. Really make it waterproof. I am using a cardboard box for the reason of. This way, I can put some flashing in there. I don't need a lot. I just need enough to get on the roof. I think that's more than I need. Let me just take a little bit more. Close this bad boy up and go finish the job. Like I said, I really didn't need that much. I just needed enough to go in there. That's it, I'm done. Well, I got the extra, might as well use it. You never know if that could have been the leak. Well, I gotta reopen up my can. Doesn't hurt to take another 2 seconds. Put my thing back in, my gloves back off. I'm gonna put this away for another day. This flashing compound does a great job, gets the leaks in the rain all year round. Keep it warm, do a good job with it.